So how to buy hidden crypto gems and basically that aren't on major exchanges. So this is an easy step-by-step guide. I want to make it clear and simple. So what's going on? I'm Patricio, thanks for being here. I want to ask you though, have you ever felt frustrated because you found a super cool cryptocurrency, but it's not listed on a big exchange like Binance or a Coinbase? And maybe you've got a buddy who's completely new to crypto and is totally lost on how to buy these elusive tokens. Don't worry, I've got you covered, okay? Let's make this simple and easy so you can get in on these hidden crypto gems that everybody's talking about. So step one is you gotta find the right token. Okay, so first things first, okay? How do you find the right token? You're probably scrolling on Twitter or X, whatever you wanna call it, seeing these amazing coins pop up, like Colin, for example, C-O-L-O-N, I want to say it like that. If you're super interested but you have no idea how to buy it, don't sweat it. Here's what you do. Number one, you head to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. I like CoinGecko, it's super simple. Number two, you're going to search for the token name. So let's use Colin as an example. Number three, double check the token, make sure that you're looking at the right one. You can do that by clicking on their official social media links like Twitter, right from CoinGecko. Number four, note the contract address. It's a super important step, okay? So it's like the official ID for the token so that you can make sure that you're getting the real deal and you're not getting a scam, okay? Step two, you got to choose the right exchange, okay? Decentralized versus centralized. So let's say this token isn't on Binance. What do? So here's the thing. Most big exchanges list tokens after they've become popular. It means that you've missed out on massive gains when the token was first launched. But don't worry, you can still buy it on decentralized exchanges, okay? DEX, where things are much faster and you can get in early. So on CoinGecko, you're going to click on the Markets tab to see where the tokens are traded. You're going to see exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. These are DEX platforms, okay, where you don't need to sign up for an account. So why DEX? Because they let you trade directly within the blockchain, which means that you get to buy tokens early and keep full control of your assets. The big exchanges, they take forever to list new tokens, okay? Step three, set up a crypto wallet. Here's where it might get a little bit tricky if you've never done it before. You need a crypto wallet to interact with decentralized exchanges, okay? This is how you're gonna send and receive your tokens directly. So number one, you're gonna get a wallet, okay? Two popular ones are MetaMask for Ethereum-based tokens and Phantom for Solana tokens, okay? So number two, add the wallet extension, okay? So you'll need to download the wallet extension for your browser. Okay, Google Chrome is the easiest. Number three, you're gonna back up your seed phrase. Okay, this is really important. You keep it safe. This phrase is your key to accessing your wallet. Okay. Number four, you're gonna find the token's contract address. So here's the thing: tokens aren't just listed by name. Every token has its own unique contract address that makes it official. Okay, so let's say you're going on CoinGecko to make sure that you copy the right contract address, the ID number. So this is how you're going to make sure that you're getting the correct token. Okay, so number one, you're going to copy the contract address directly from CoinGecko. Number two, you go to your DEX platform like Uniswap or PancakeSwap and paste the address into the search bar. And number three, you're all set to trade. Now, listen, step five, okay? How to buy tokens on DEX without the hassle. So once you got your wallet set up and the token address is copied, it's time to buy. But it's a little bit different from buying on Binance. So here's how to make it easy for yourself. Number one, connect your wallet by going to the DEX account and connecting your wallet to MetaMask or Ethereum Phantom for Solana. Number two, you're gonna choose your token. So you paste the contract address into the DEX to find a token and select it, okay? Number three, you make the swap. You select how much of the native currency like Ethereum or Solana you want to spend, and then you're going to hit swap. Number 4, you're going to confirm and wait. So your token will show up in your wallet shortly. Pretty simple, right? So number 6, step 6, quick and easy decelerate, like the fast way. So if it feels like a lot, I got a shortcut for you. There's a platform called Decelerate, which makes buying tokens super simple. One-click trades, okay? After connecting your wallet, just paste the contract address, you hit buy, and it's done. It's way faster than other platforms like Jupiter or Uniswap because it doesn't require all those extra steps like signing in and re-signing in. So by the way, if you're a beginner, you don't have an app to buy and sell crypto yet, you've never done it, let's say, I'm just talking to you right now, getcrypto.com, you know? You shouldn't just stick to one, but that's what I'm using right now, and I love it. If you use my link in the description, you get trading free rebates, Crow rewards, referral bonuses, and premium rewards. So back to what I'm saying, the summary of the video. Don't overcomplicate it, okay? Let's wrap this up. So here's the quick version of how you can start buying tokens that aren't on major exchanges. You're gonna find a token on CoinGecko and make sure it's the right one. You're gonna choose a decentralized exchange like, the DEX, like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. You're gonna set up a wallet like MetaMask or Phantom. You're gonna copy the contract address and paste it into the DEX, and you're gonna make the trade. Easy peasy, bro. So if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out with me, okay? Ciao.